My name is Dan Cataldi, and I founded Groov, which is ultimately an effort to bring the foremost understanding of how to best support a foot and enable a foot to be comfortable and have high endurance and to mitigate injury, and to take all of that which has been historically reserved for the medical space via foot orthotics and bring it to the mass market through a consumer offering that addresses not issues any one medical patient has with their feet, but instead issues that arise for all of us when we put our feet in shoes. Because it's not an issue with the foot. Foot pain is ubiquitous because we can do footwear better and more personalized. Instead of just asking someone, how long is your foot? And then calling it a day, actually wondering, what is the interface between your foot and the ground and how can we optimize that for you? What we're able to do is use infrared depth mapping on the iPhone via the TrueDepth camera system to let somebody in about 5 minutes shoot 30,000 infrared beams at their feet and then get a high precision 3D reproduction that we can use to put into production immediately and turn around, get you a custom pair at your doorstep in under 7 days. Growing up, my father always sold custom orthotics to his patients through his office and his practice. And it was always something that I was around, but never really impressed by, because it always had this kind of geriatric vibe to me, very medicalized, until, fast forward maybe a decade. I threw my back out, did everything I could to try to get it better. I was seeing physical therapists, orthopedists, chiropractors, just massage, getting everything done. And I was pitched by someone on the medical and training staff of one of the professional sports teams in DC to get a pair of orthotics. And when all of a sudden I realized that this extent to which I would get home at the end of a long day and be like, my feet are killing me, I just want to kick my shoes off, put my feet up. So much of that was avoidable. I just never realized. It was like I had a ringing in my ear that I didn't know about until it stopped ringing. There are a number of things that we do that are really novel. And first, and foremost is the fact that we're turning around a really high quality custom product in 7 days. We're able to do that with an intake system that takes 5 minutes. And we're able to do a number of things within that. One of which, patent pending, is our ability to customize a pair of grooves, not just to the customer's feet, but also to the specific shoe they intend to put it in. So it comes fit to that last as if it were made by the shoe company themselves. And that enables us to work with the shoe companies. And ultimately, that's what Groov's here to do, is to help people do that, right? To make the trade-off between fashion and function and footwear obsolete, and just help people feel good on their feet.